Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with lesson 16 mensuration. Today we will complete exercise 16.3. Let us continue with question number 10. A rectangular room is 10 meter length, 10 meter long and 6 meter wide. Means length is given 10 meter and breadth of a room is given 6 meter. Find the cost of covering the floor with the carpet 2 meter wide at a rate of rupees 42 per meter. Means we have to cover the floor with the carpet whose breadth is given 2 meter. And the rate of covering is given 42 rupees per meter. Means for 1 meter cost is 42 rupees. So first of all we have to find the length of the carpet. Here breadth of the carpet is given 2 meters. So we will find the length of the carpet and then we will multiply the length by 42 to find out the cost of the whole covering the whole floor with the carpet. So now let us do it. So length of the carpet is given, length of the room is given 10 meters and breadth of the room is given 6 meters. Now breadth of the carpet. Breadth of carpet is given 2 meters. So first of all we have to find out the length of the carpet. So here see, suppose this is the room and I have to cover this whole room with the carpet. See, this is suppose 2 meters, breadth is given 2 meters. This is length. I have to cover this whole room with this carpet. So this is the length. See, length will be this plus this. This will be the length. See, first this carpet, 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, 4 layer. So total length will be this plus this plus this plus this plus this. This is the length of the carpet. So breadth is given 2 meters. First of all we will find out the length of the carpet. Now area of this room will be equal to the area of this carpet, because this carpet we have to put this carpet in the whole room. So area of this carpet is equal to area of the room. So what I'll write, area of carpet is equal to area of room. Now area of carpet is length into breadth. Length I don't know, so I'll take it as L and breadth is 2 meters. And area of room, length is given 10 and breadth is given 6. Now I'll find out length, that is 10 into 6 upon 2. So here it is 30. So I got the length is 30 meters. So length of the carpet is 30 meters. Now I have to find out the cost. I have to find out the cost of flooring the whole room. So 1 meter, cost of 1 meter is given 42 rupees 42. So 30 meters, cost of 30 meters will be 30 into 42. So which is 1260. Thus the cost of covering the floor with the carpet is rupees 1260. Now question number 11. Find the cost of flooring the room 7.5 meter by 6 meter. That is, length of the room is given 7.5 meters and breadth of the room is given 6 meters. So the dimensions of the rooms is given. We have to floor this room with the square tiles. And here the side of the tile is given 30 centimeter. So now we have to fix these tiles in the room. And cost of one tile is given rupees 6. See, here it is given, the rate is rupees 6 per tile. Means cost of one tile is given rupees 6. So you have to find out the cost of the tiles that will be required, total cost that will be required for the tiles. So first of all you have to find out the number of tiles. So how you will find out the number of tiles? See students, suppose this is your room and in this room you have to fix these tiles. First of all you have to find out how many tiles will be required for this room. So the area of what you will do, first you will find out the area of this room, that is length into breadth. Then you will find out area of one tile, and then you will divide both. Number of tiles is equal to area of room divided by area of tile. You will get number of tile. See, you can understand in another way also. Here n into, you can shift this area to this side. N into area of tile is equal to area of room. See, these are the tiles. So area of all the tiles will be equal to area of this room. So n into area of one tile is equal to area of room. That is, n is equal to area of room upon area of tile. Keep this n this side and shift this tile this side, area this side. So you will get number of tiles is equal to area of room divided by area of tile. Now see students, here dimension of room is given in meter and dimension of tile is given in centimeters. So both the dimensions should be same. Either you convert the dimension of room to centimeter, or you can convert the dimension of tile to meter. It is your wish. So I am converting the dimension of room into centimeter. So here length of the room is 7.5 meter, which is 750 centimeter. And breadth of the room is 6 meter, which is 600 centimeter. Now side of tile is 30 centimeter. So we have to find out number of tiles, which is equal to area of room divided by area of tile. So area of room is length into breadth, that is 750 into 600, and area of tile is 30. Side of tile is 30, that is area will be 30 into 30. I'll cancel this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. Here 3 2s are 6, and I will cancel this 3 with this, which is 250. Now 250 into 2 is 500. So 500 tiles are required. Now we have to find out the cost. So cost of one tile is given rupees 6. So cost of 500 tiles will be 6 into 500. That is 3000, which is rupees 3000. Hence the total cost is rupees 3000. Now come to question number 12. Two plots of land have same perimeter. One is square of side 64 meter and other is rectangle with length 80 meters. Which plot has the greater area by how much? See, here we are given with the two plots. One is square and the another is rectangle. And the perimeter of both are same. See, this is a square plot and this is a rectangular plot. Perimeter of both the plots are same. So perimeter of square is 4 into side, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Here it is given perimeter of both is same. You have to find out the area and then we have to tell which is having the greater area and by how much. So for area we need to find out length and breadth of this rectangle and the side of this square. The side of this square is given 64 and length of rectangle is given 80. Breadth of rectangle is not given. But to calculate the area, we need the breadth also. So first of all, we will find the breadth. How we will find the breadth? See, we will compare these two. Perimeter is same. So here 4 into side, that is 4 into 64, and here 2 into L plus B. L is 80 and B we have to find out. Now let us calculate. Keep this B here and shift all the numbers to the another side. 4 into 64 divided by 2. Here it is 64 into 2, which is 128. 64 into 2 is equal to 80 plus b. Now shift this 80 this side. So here it is plus. It will become minus here. So 180 minus 80 is 48. So here breadth is 48 meters. Now first we will find out area of square, which is side into side, that is 64 into 64, which is 4096 meter square. And then we will find out area of rectangle, which is length into breadth, which is 80 into 48, which is 3840 meter square. So from here we can see area of square is greater than area of rectangle. So area of a square has the more area than the rectangle. And for how much you have to subtract both. Question is how much area more. So for this we have to subtract this. We will get 256 meter square. Hence square plot has the greater area by 256 meter square. Now students, question number 13 and 14 you will try yourself. So you will complete question number 10 to question number 14. That is, now our exercise 16.3 is completed. Thank you Shem Stars. That's all for the day. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.